Hello बच्चों, this is Biobotany class by Mini. Today's our first topic is Agaricus. First, discuss about the classification. Agaricus is the kingdom of Agaricus is Mycota, division Eumycota, subdivision Basidiomycotina, order Agaricales, family Agaricaceae. CEAE, Agaricus. Now let's discuss about the general character of Agaricus. Agaricus is a saprophytic fungi. It means it is mainly found on the dead and decay material like dead leaves, wooden logs, trash and gobar. Because it's a saprophytic fungi, mostly found in the rainy season. In India, it is also called cucurbita. There is 17 species found in India. And now which Agaricus we are describing, that is Agaricus campestris. On the basis of structure, Agaricus is divided into two parts. The first one is vegetative mycelium and the second is fruiting body, which is also known as basidiocarp. On the basis of structure, the first one is vegetative mycelium. Vegetative mycelium is mainly underground mycelium and form two types. The first one is primary mycelium and the second one is secondary mycelium. So how primary mycelium form? Primary mycelium is formed by the germination of basidiospores, which basidiospore basically is highly septate and monokaryotic type, and depending on the strain of the basidiospore, it may be of positive or negative strain. So how it will be look like? It could be like this. It is monokaryotic mycelium. This diagram also is figure in your notebooks. Monokaryotic mycelium which have single nuclei. That's why we are saying it is hyaline, septate and monokaryotic type. Monokaryotic mycelium. Okay, and the next is primary mycelium is a short-lived and soon turn in the secondary mycelium. So it means when the two mycelium strain fuse together, and which it could be positive or it could be negative. When two mycelium, the first one should be positive and the second one should be negative, and fuse together and form the secondary mycelium, which further called rhizomorph. And the secondary mycelium formed by the fusion of opposite return, it is which will be perennial. Secondary mycelium which will be perennial, branch and septate. This cell also be binucleate. When after the fusion of secondary mycelium form, it means rhizomorph form, it could be binucleate. Binucleate, it means there will be, I'll show you in the diagram. So in this figure you can see that is monokaryotic hyphae which is uninucleate, and that one is dikaryotic hyphae which have binucleate, which have two kind of. It means the dikaryotic hyphae is formed by the fusion of positive and negative strands of primary mycelium. So this is the figure of vegetative reproduction, vegetative structure of the Agaricus. And the next one is basidiocarp. So the number 2 is a fruiting body, which is basidiocarp. So basidiocarp, your fruiting body, is mainly aerial part of the Agaricus, which is developed from the rhizomorph. Rhizomorph were developed from the secondary mycelium, and this part is commonly known as mushroom. The body is The mushroom bodies, it means fruiting body. We are talking about the fruiting bodies and basidiocarp. So basidiocarp body is differentiated into two parts. The first one is pilus and the second one is stipe. So pilus is about to 5 to 10 centimeter in a diameter and the stipe is about to 6 to 9 centimeter in height. There is 300 to 600 gills found under surface of the pilus, which are arranged in the radial fashion. Now understand through the diagram. So this is the fruiting body of basidiocarp. The apical portion is called pilus and the basal part is called stipe. Under surface of pilus under surface there is 300 to 600 gills found. These are the gills and under this there is velum and this portion is called rhizome. So this is the figure of fruiting body or basidiocarp.